Welcome to 2067 Kaltasin Road in the Casinos area of Sooke. This is an outstanding value, a great price for such a large place. At nearly 2,200 square feet with 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms on 3 levels, this semi-detached townhouse in a waterfront complex has just one other unit attached to it and enjoys great ocean views over the Sooke Basin from the upper floors. The kitchen has new resilient flooring, 2 stainless steel appliances, and plenty of cupboard and counter space, including a breakfast bar. The living room and dining room flow effortlessly into one another and feature gleaming, engineered oak flooring, and a sliding glass door to a balcony overlooking the private yard, perfect for kids and pets. Upstairs you'll find the enormous master bedroom, complete with his and hers closets, and oversized windows for a commanding view over the Sooke Basin and to the hills beyond. The large windows let in lots of natural light, and you'll just love waking up to this view in the morning. There is also a full 4-piece ensuite bath, which has just had stylish ceramic tiles installed. Also upstairs there are 2 other bedrooms, perfect for kids or guests, and another full bathroom, again with new ceramic tile floors. In the basement, you'll just love the huge rec room or playroom and plenty of storage for a busy family. This area would also make a great media room. Outside is a very private yard, which is huge by townhouse standards. All of this is on the Victoria side of Sooke, just steps away from the elementary school, public transit, Galloping Goose Trail, and being a waterfront complex, there is beach access too. Bring your kayak or canoe. This is a great offering, and units such as this are seldom available. Call or visit my website today. Thanks for watching.